This video tutorial I will explain SQL constraints. Using SQL constraint, we can specify rules for the data in the table, and we can specify the constraint when a table is created using a create table statement, or after table is created we can specify the constraint using alter table statement. And constraints are used to limit the type of data that go into the table. This ensures accuracy and reliability of data in the table. If there is any violation between the constraint and the data action, the action will be aborted. Constraint can be column level or table level. Column level constraint apply to column, and table level constraints apply to the whole table. Here you can see the syntax of how to specify the constraint when creating the table. Create table, table name, column name, data type of the column, and the constraint. Example of constraint is not null. We will see one example now. Here you can see employee table, and in employee table, in employee name column, I have put constraint as not null. So employee name value should not be null while inserting employee record. And for age column also, I have put not null constraint. So age value also should not be null while inserting record in the employee table. And here I am trying to insert one employee record in employee table with employee name value as null and age value as null. We will see what will happen. And it failed, and it is saying employee name column cannot be null. I will put some value. Then again I am executing, and this time it is saying age column should not be null because not null constraint is there. I will put some value, executing, and this time the query was successful. One record is inserted. Here you can see different constraints and its description. The first one is not null constraint, which ensures the column cannot have null value. And the second one is unique constraint, which ensures all values in the columns are different. And the third one is primary key, a combination of not null and unique constraint, which uniquely identifies each row in the table. And the fourth one is foreign key, which uniquely identify a row or record in another table. The fifth one is check constraint, which ensures that all values in the column satisfy a specific condition. And sixth one is default constraint, which sets a default value for a column when no value is specified. And the seventh one is index constraint, which is used to create and retrieve data from the database very quickly. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.